In this video, we'll take a look at how you can export client invoices in a format that can then be imported into your Xero accounting software. Let's start by navigating to the Payments menu in your SimplyBook.me account and then to the Custom Features page in SimplyBook.me. If you haven't enabled the Invoices feature yet, please enable it as well since it's required for Xero Import to work properly. Choose if invoices should be imported with multiple lines per invoice or include all invoice details in a single line. Specify the Xero invoice branding theme name you would like to use to determine the layout and design of your invoices. Enable Add Payment Data if you'd like to include the payment amount, date, exchange rate, and Xero deposit account code. Choose the base currency of your Xero account. Specify the tax type to match your Xero tax settings. Please make sure to save the changes once you're done. You can now go to the Invoices page, use the filter to display the necessary invoices, and click the Xero Export button. You'll find the prepared file above. Log into your Xero account, navigate to Business Invoices, and click Import to choose your file. This will import your invoices as drafts. If you want invoices to be approved or paid, you should also create a Xero Conversion Toolbox account, connect it with your Xero account, and use it to import invoices. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.